In front of me is ALCATEL 1068 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by opening menu and selecting multimedia. Then select sound recorder and to start hit options on the left, pick new record, and as you can see recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use left button, and to end it and save it, right one. Then to access your recording, select options, pick list, select options again and tap on play. To get rid of it, you can click on it. Over here as well, select options and this time hit delete or even rename. Then hit options again, tap on done, or to remove it, select yes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!